Hello, welcome back. This is volume 2 of exercise 6.4 from the chapter squares and square roots. In volume 1, we discussed question number 1 and 2 from exercise 6.4, and in this volume, we are going to discuss question number 3, 4, 5 from exercise 6.4. And before starting, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. So let us start now. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. We can do that by long division method. 2.56. So 56 is a pair and 2 is under 1. Now 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. So 1 is the first digit. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Then bring this 56 down. Here you have to put a decimal. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 26 into 6 is 36, 3. And 12 plus 3 is 15. So 100 so 6 is that number. And 26 into 6 is 156. 156 minus 56, 0. So what is the square root of 2.56? It is 1.6. Now we'll find the square root of 7.29. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. So 2 is the first digit. Now 2 into 2 is 4. Then 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring this 29 down. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 9. Last digit is 9. So 3 into 3 is 9. So let us see if 3 is that number. 43 into 3, 9 and 129. So 3 is not that number. Now if it is 7 also, last digit will be 9. 47 into 7 is 7 sevens are 49. 4 sevens are 28. Plus 4 is 32. So 7 is that number and we have to put a point here. So, and 329, 0. 2.7 is the square root of 7.29. Okay. Now 51.84. We'll write this here. 51.84. So pairing this. And 7 sevens are 49. Then we have to put a point here. Now 51 minus 49 is 2. Then bring this 84 down. Now 7 plus 7 is 14. 142 into 2 is 284. So 7.2 is the square root of 51.84. Now 42.25. 6 are 36. Then put a decimal here. Then 36. 42 minus 36 is 6. Then 25. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. Then 5. 125 into 5 is 625. So 6.5 is the square root of 42.25. Now 31.36. 31.36. 5 square is 25. Then the decimal here. 25. 31 minus 25 is 6. Then bring this 36 down. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. Then 106 into 6 is 636. So this 636, 0. So 5.6 is the square root of 31.36. Okay. Next question is find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number thus obtained. First number is 402. We have to find the least number that must be subtracted to get a perfect square. So let us find the square root of this. And for that, first pair the digits. 0, 2 is a pair and then 4. Now number whose square is less than or equal to 4 is 2. And 4. Then remainder is 0. Now bring the 0 to down. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 40, 0 is 0. Remainder is 2. And if 2 is subtracted from 402, 400 is a number and square root of that is 20. Okay. Now next is 1989 and pairing this. Now 4 square is 16 and remainder is 3. Bring this 89 down. Now 4 plus 4 is 8 and 84 into 4 is 16. 4 8s are 32, 33. 85 into 5 is 425. So 4 is that number. 84 into 4 is 336. So 353. So 53 must be subtracted from 1989 to make it a perfect square. And 1989 minus 53 is 1936. And square root of 1936 is 44. Okay, next one is 3250. How much should be subtracted from 3250 to make it a perfect square? And 5 square, 5 5s are 25, then 32 minus 25 is 7, then 750, 5 plus 5 is 10, 107 into 7 is 749, so it is less than 750, so 107 into 7, 749, and remainder is 1. So 1 must be subtracted from 3250 to make it a perfect square, and if 1 is subtracted from 3250 we will get 3249. And what is the square root of 3249? It is 57. Okay, now next one is 825. Pairing this and 25, then 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so 2, then 4, remainder is 4. Bring this 25 down. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Let us see 49 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 4 nines are 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. So 9 is not that number. 48 into 8, 64. And 4 eights are 32. 38. 384, and when you subtract this you will get 41, and here also 8. So 41 must be subtracted from 825 to get a perfect square, and 825 minus 41 is 784, and the square root of 784 is 28. Okay, now 4000. Actually, what is the square root of 4000? It is 20. So 0 must be subtracted from 4000 to make it a perfect square, and square root of that is 20. Okay, no need of doing this by the long division method. Next question is, find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So obtained. So pair the digits. 2 into 2 is 4. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. Then bring this 25 down. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 42 into 2 is 84. You must get a number that is near to 125 but more than 125, because the question is least number which must be added to make it a perfect square. Let us see if 3 is possible. 43 into 3 is 3 into 3 9, then 4 into 3 12, 129. So the remainder will be minus 4, right? So 4 must be added to 525 to make it a perfect square, and the number will be, if 4 is added, number will be 529, and the square root is 23. Okay, now number whose square is less than or equal to 17 is 4, because 4 square is 16. So write 4 here and here, and 4 into 4 is 16. Then remainder is 1. Bring this 50 down. Now 4 plus 4 is 8, and 82 into 2. 82 into 2 is 164, which is more than 150, and when you subtract this you will get minus 14. So 14 must be added to 1750 to make it a perfect square, and when you add 14 to this you will get 1764, and the square root of 1764 is 42. Okay, next one is 252. We'll do that here. 252, and pair this. Now 1 square is 1, then remainder is 1. Bring this 52 down. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 26 into 6 is 36, and 12 plus 3 is 156. Now the remainder is minus 4. So 4 must be added to 252 to make it a perfect square, and 252 plus 4 is 256, and its square root is 16. Okay, then next is 1825. So pair the digits. Then 18 and 25 are the pairs. Now number whose square is less than or equal to 18 is 4. 4 square is 16, which is less than 18. Then 18 minus 16 is 2. Then 225. Next step is 4 plus 4, 8. Then 81 into 1 is 81. Then 82 into 2 is 164, which is less than 225. But we have to find a number which is more than 225. Now 83 into 3. What is 83 into 3? 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. So 249 is greater than 225. So this number is 3 and 83 into 3 is 249. Now 225 minus 249 is 4 and 2. So minus 24, which means 24 must be added to 1825 to make it a perfect square. And when you add 24, you will get 1849. And the square root of 1849 is 43. Okay. Next is 6412. 8 8s are 64. Now 64 minus 64 is 0. Then 12. Take this 12 down. Now 8 plus 8 is 16. And if you take 1, 161 into 1 is 161. And 12 minus 161 is minus 149. So 149 must be added to 6412 to make it a perfect square. And when you add 149, you will get 6561. And the square root of 6561 is 81. Okay. So we have discussed question number 3, 4, 5 from exercise 6.4, and with this I am going to wind up this video. I'll be uploading question number 6, 7, 8, 9 in the next volume. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you and bye.